Manassas ground, Sky Ventures 15 with information Lima on the east ramp, ready for a VFR flight to the west.
Sky Ventures 15, Manassas ground, departure frequency 127.32, squawk 4703.
4703, 2732 for Sky Ventures 15, we're ready to taxi.
On the clearance, jet speed 202.
Sky Ventures 15, roger, runway 34 right, taxifield Golf Bravo, use caution for Cessna bound to ramp.
Golf Bravo to 34 right for Sky Ventures 15.
Jet speed 202, have your full route clearance by Osprey copy.
Jet speed 202, go ahead.
Jet speed 202, clear to Sierra Uniform Alpha Airport via the Arsenal 3 departure. Radar vectors Hafner, Gordonsville, J75, Columbia, J51, to Savannah, Ormond Beach, J79, to Tango Romeo Victor, direct. Climb via SID, expect flight level 400 in 10 minutes. Departure frequency 128.52, squawk 6512.
4703. Up to 1700. Left. Both. Right. Both. RB. Good. Instruments in the green. Suction looks great. And meter's just barely charging. Check idle. And back up to 1,000. 133.1. 27. 32. Get everything going here. Good. Flight instruments down, up, up, down, up, down. Looks good. And function clear. Get ready to start that. All right, lights, camera, action, flaps, fuel selector, trim, instruments in the green, make our call. Manassas Tower, Sky Ventures 15, holding short of 34 right, we're ready for takeoff. Manassas Tower, Sky Ventures 15.
Anyone call ready for departure?
Yes, sir. Sky Ventures 15 is holding short of 34 right, ready to go.
Sky Ventures 15, proceed on course, winds calm, 34 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 34 right, proceed on course for Sky Ventures 15. Blah, blah, blah. All right.
Manassas Tower, helicopter 04 X-ray.
04 X-ray, go ahead.
We'd like to get a straight in auto on this one if we could.
04 X-ray, it's approved as requested, runway 34 left, clear for the option.
34 left, clear for the option, 04 X-ray, thanks.
All right, let's go. Airspeed's alive, instruments in the green. 45, 50, 55, rotate. Landing light off. Adjust that squelch a little bit. Test, test.
Manassas Tower, Cessna 93528, ready, 34 right, VFR Fluky.
Look under the wing. Is a little warm.
Scavengers 15, contact departure.
Going to departure, Scavengers 15, thanks.
Cessna 935.
Potomac departure, Scavengers 15, 1,500 for 2,300, headed westbound, departed HEF.
Scavengers 15, Potomac transponder is observed. Proceed VFR, remain out of the Bravo airspace.
VFR outside of Class Bravo for Scavengers 15.
Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima is on the final, on the downwind for runway 22. Culpepper traffic.
And Culpepper traffic, Scavengers 15 is now about 4 miles out, straight in long final for runway 22 Culpepper.
Montgomery traffic, flight 4225, 9er X-ray, downwind, Montgomery. Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima is on the base for runway 22 and do not have the traffic in sight. You said you're 4 miles, sir?
2.8 miles right now, we're looking at the runway. Don't have you either, but I'm slowing way down for you.
Okay, well, we'll just make a 360 and we'll let you land first and then go back in the pattern.
Okay, I appreciate that. This is Scavengers 15 for Culpepper traffic. All right, next to Rich, trim for landing.
Montgomery traffic, pipe 4225, 9er X-ray, turning base, 14, Montgomery.
Culpepper traffic, Scavengers 15's 1.5 mile final for runway 22 Culpepper.
Traffic not available.
Montgomery traffic, pipe 4225, 9er X-ray, final 14.
bump. And Culpepper traffic, Skyventures 15 is on the go. We're going to stay in the pattern, left pattern for runway 22, Culpepper.
Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima is re-entering the pattern for on the 45 for runway 22 and has a departing traffic in sight. Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima, downwind for 22, Culpepper traffic.
Under the wing. There he is.
Montgomery traffic, Piper Flight 2259 or X-ray, crosswind, Montgomery.
Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima on base for 22, Culpepper traffic.
Let's slow down, give this guy a chance. There he is. Culpepper traffic, Skyventures 15 is on the downwind for 22. We have traffic in front of us. We'll extend our downwind to give you plenty of time, Culpepper.
I appreciate that, thank you.
Hey, thanks for the help before.
No problem, sir.
Montgomery traffic 2259 or X-ray, downwind 14 Montgomery.
Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima is on the final for 22, Culpepper traffic.
Sending light nav beacon. Okay, he's going slow. Good. Culpepper traffic, Skyventures 15 is turning base for runway 22, Culpepper.
Montgomery traffic, Piper Flight 2259 or X-ray, turning base 14 Montgomery.
Close that nonsense.
Culpepper traffic, 4375 Lima is clear off 22, Culpepper traffic.
Culpepper traffic, Skyventures 15 is final for 22, Culpepper.
Montgomery traffic 7020 Mike is 4 miles on our left base for 14. Montgomery traffic, Piper Flight 2259 or X-ray, final 14 Montgomery.
Get back there on center line. Drop out of the sky. bump. Flaps up. Culpepper traffic, Scavengers 15's on the go, runway 22 Culpepper. Landing light off. Do one more. Go home.
Coming traffic, Piper 259, right? Call up traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima is taking off runway 22, staying in the pattern. Call up traffic. There's output traffic in sight. Montgomery traffic, Piper 259 X-ray, downwind 14 Montgomery.
Culpepper traffic, Scavengers 15's on the downwind for runway 22 Culpepper. Our friend taking off. Under the wing. Culpepper traffic, Scavengers 15's turning base for runway 22 Culpepper.
Culpepper traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima, crosswind for 22, call up traffic. Traffic, Piper 259 X-ray, turning base 14 Montgomery.
Culpepper traffic, Scavengers 15's turning final, runway 22 Culpepper. This guy mowing the grass right off the runway.
Back on traffic, Piper 259 X-ray, final 1. Call up traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima, downwind 422, call up traffic.
Did it by the first strips. I think that's 1,000 feet. Flaps up. You're rich. On the go.
Gulf traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima is on the base for 22, Gulf traffic.
Culpepper traffic, Skyventures 15 is departing the pattern to the west. Last call. Have a good day, sir. Culpepper.
You too. Gulf traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima, final for 22, Gulf traffic.
He's like, thank God. Do a couple maneuvers and then we will head home. And enter in. 1, 2. Get on that line.
Gulf traffic, Cessna 4375 Lima taking off 22, staying in the pattern. Gulf traffic.
Well, that was about perfect. Let's do one to the left. Maneuvering speed.
Culpepper traffic, Skyhawk 65 Echo is 10 to the west, 2,500 inbound Culpepper.
2, immediately up to 23. Get on over there. Pull. And 1, 2, and we're back out of it. Good turns. 1, 27. Turn in immediately the 23, 1 and 2. Right there.
Montgomery traffic, Cessna 885 is over Davis, I'll be landing 14 Montgomery.
And out of it, and immediately back out. Lost 50 feet there. We'll take it. There we go.
Skyventures 15, maintain your assigned beacon code TLN. Contact Manassas Tower 133.1. Have a good day.
33.1 for Skyventures 15. Thank you, sir. Manassas Tower, Skyventures 15. It's about 9 miles out with information. Mike, inbound for East Ramp parking, full stop.
Skyventures 15, good afternoon, Manassas Tower, and the left base runway 34 right, report 2 miles.
Left base 34 right, we'll let you know 2 miles, Skyventures 15. $1,500.
0 Hotel Lima, taxi East Ramp via Bravo 2, Bravo, monitor ground.
Bravo 2, Bravo, monitor ground, Bonanza 0 Hotel Lima.
Wind check, wind calm.
Manassas Tower, Air Care 1.
Air Care 1, Manassas Tower, Manassas altimeter 2999, stay in attention.
2999, we're just off our accident about 3.5 miles to the north of the airport.
Traffic not available.
Air Care 1, roger, transition approved through class Delta, and report leaving the Delta.
Air Care 1, we'll go.
Skyventures 15, stay in attention.
Go back to East Ramp parking.
Skyventures 15, roger, taxi East Ramp via Bravo Echo, monitor ground.
Bravo Echo, monitor ground for Skyventures 15. Thank you.